Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle around an ocean monument. First, you'll need to drain the water surrounding the structure. This creates a dry workspace, essential for building. We'll cover the most effective way to achieve this, ensuring your perimeter is perfectly dry and ready for construction. This approach simplifies the entire process. To drain the area, begin by constructing a temporary wall around the monument. This wall should extend from the ocean floor to above the water's surface. Once enclosed, use sponges to absorb the water inside. Place them, let them soak, then remove and dry them. Repeat this until the entire area within your wall is completely dry. Now, for the circular wall itself. To achieve a perfect circle, consider using an online circle generator or a template. This helps with block placement accuracy. Build your permanent circular wall from the ocean floor, extending it several blocks above the waterline. This creates a robust and visually appealing boundary around your monument. With your circular wall in place, perform a final check for any missed water pockets. Ensure the wall is fully sealed and reinforced for durability. This completed circle not only looks impressive, but also provides a secure, dry environment for any further work on your ocean monument. You've successfully created your perfect perimeter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.